Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to install the firmware update on this watch. Before we start, if you want to update the firmware on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on the devices icon to open the devices page. And on this page, you should see HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro. Tap on it to select it. Once you see the device page, scroll down through it and find the firmware update option. Once you find it, tap on it. Wait until the watch is done detecting the new version. Actually, you can tell that there is a new update by this red dot everywhere. We have it here, we have it here, and I believe we also have it on devices icon. So basically the app is telling you that there is an update. You can even see it right here on the icon of the HUAWEI Health application. So you will see that there is an update available. Scroll down, tap on firmware update. It will check for the updates. And once it detects the update, you can tap on download and update. One thing before you continue, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the update, it might damage your watch. So once the battery is charged, tap on download and update. It's gonna start downloading, then transferring the update to your watch. And once it's done transferring, it will start installing. So this might take a while. Okay, as you can see, the watch is back in the system, and that means that the update is complete. And that's how you update the firmware on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.